Good evening guys, I want to show you how to make live corner widget in Adobe Illustrator. Please I wanted to introduce me. I am Ren for graphics design. Hope you like my channel. First of all, I want to show you how to live corner widget. Open Adobe Illustrator 2018 and then create. Just make 961px 961 and height and width 961px and create. Okay, this is our Adobe Illustrator 2018. You must download this. This is a good application for making design for logo and other business cards. Hope you like it this, and I want to show you how to live corner widget. And first of all, I go to this rectangle tool, drag this one. You see, you cannot see the corner widget. You just go to view and open hide corner widget. This one, hide corner widget. Just click. You see the circle in the upper side and the lower side, both sides. And then I want to show you how to make a round widget. Just click it, shift and click the circle at the left, right, and down side by side, and then drag it. You see, and then I want to show you how to uh, invert widget, invert corners and chamber corners. This is three types of corners, and the one is round corner, invert round corner, and chamber corners. This one, the first is the round corner, and click this one, you see, and then double click in this circle over there, the circle, and then pop up the toolbar. You see the rectangle properties. In this one, left side, you can click on the invert corner. You see, invert corner. And the right side, you can click also invert corner. And the down, the left side, yeah, you see, and then and the right down invert corner. You see the patterns of the project. They can show you how to round and invert corners. Now, and last one is the chamber widget. You can click this one at the right, at the left, chamber widget, you can see the straight in the left side and also in the other side in the left, and the other side too, and then the other two. Okay, that's all. At least you see how to create a design to perform to make some shapes you want, and also other samples to give you other video to check it out the channel to continue my project for the Adobe Illustrator 2018. That's all. Thank you, and subscribe, and thank you.